It's the channel Card Right? And in today's video, we are continuing the series of our basics of AutoCAD. So in this video, we are going to we are going to learn about all the annotation bar of this AutoCAD software, which is quite very simple and short, which is not as lengthy as the last video of part one. This is going to be the part 2 of the video of the same series, the basics of AutoCAD. So hope you pay attention and hope this video finds you useful. Okay, so let's start with the first command, which is the text command. So uh, as the name says, it's a text command. So it is going to be used in AutoCAD for writing text. Correct. So as you can see here, the text is the text line or the text bar is right over here. So what you have to do is, first of all, the thing is not scaled, so anything that you will write over here will go too small because we are at a very uh, bigger space of the whole whiteboard. It's a dark mode, so I should call it a blackboard. Correct. So let's just type anything. Let's say CAD comrade, and when you press enter or just click outside the box, it will create this text right over here. So if you want to increase the size of this, you can also go in just properties, just write properties, and you can change the height and things from here right over here. And you can also change the styles as whatever you want by just selecting it, by just double clicking it. You can do all these things that you can do in a simple word format, that is bold, italic. You can cut the line, you can underline, overline, then also you can the squares and all you can do. You can also change the fonts, the sizes, the colors, the columns, and everything that can be done in a simple word format can be done over here too. So the easiest way to increase the size is which I use is just scale it over. It's the simplest of all, that just scale it over, write sc enter, select object, and just scale it over. It is the simplest way to do, which is the most time saving of all. You can also change the height from this option right over here, but that will be just a little two more steps, so it is just a waste of time, so you should not do that. And I just think that this is easier and a faster way to do it. So second command that we come in line is the dimension command. So let's say I have a line right over here. So as you saw, it it was around 195 or something. So when you choose dimension command and you just select the line, it will create a dimension. As I told before, that the scale is too big, so this text will come smaller. So this line text can also be edited by the properties command, which is right over here. From here you can do all the changes. The color, you can change the layer, you can change the line type, you can change the line scale also, like everything. So our first call is that architecture, we always have to use the architecture tick, which is right over here, which is the bold one, that you always have to use. And after that, the arrow 2 also same architectural dash. The next dimension line should be on, dimension line should be in same dot line. Next, you can all do these things of text height, let's say 10, whatever you want to be, you want to keep everything. You can do from this properties menu, which is right over here. The second thing is there is they have tons of option in giving lengths, which is linear, which is aligned, angular, arc length, radius, diameter, everything. So as this word says, let's I just give you one example of the circle, which is the most different one in this group. So let's say you want this radius to give, you want this radius, correct? So I'll just select this, and select, as I told you, the length. The scale is smaller, so this will appear smaller. Just double click it, as I told you earlier, and just change the height of the, and just change the height of this text, and place it as whatever you want. And it's right over there. That's it. So next you can go around with the same let's say you want diameter of the circle, then just you have to select an arc or a circle and you specify the dimension line location, and that's it. There is the location, and there you have the diameter of the circle, which is right over here, right over here. So I told you, as before, you can just go in properties, or you can just double tick the text and just change the height over here. But here you have to go in the text menu and just change the sizes whatever you want. Let's say 10. So as you can see right over here, that now it is very much visible. Next, you have options of arcs and lines and coordinates and jogged and everything. You could. I'll just show you the jogged one, which is also different. Central location of the overlay. Let's select the central location, and yeah, the jogged is right over there. Oh, oops, it just didn't come. Center location is right over here. Specify dimension line location. Specify jog location is right over here. As you can see that this is a jogged line solution, and this is the radius of the circle, which we already knew. This is just a different way to show. Okay, so this is like that. Next is a very useful command, which is the leader command. Leader command, what it does is that you have, if you want to say this circle is a garden or whatever in a plan, okay, so you have to specify the leader head, and then you have to specify the line. And let's say here this is the garden one of the building, and as you can see, I told you right over there that the scale of this line is small. So what we will do is, where we will increase the size of the arrowhead, you can do whatever you want from properties, and we also increase the size of the text. Let's say 20. So whatever you want, you can do it in AutoCAD. So this is generally used in annotation of the plans and the sections, elevations, anything that you make. If you want to label it, this is the thing you have to do. And this has two more options: that add leader, remove leader, align leader, collect leader. So these are the four options. You can try it out on your own. So this video was short and sweet, and just an annotation bar and things you need to know in the basics of or AutoCAD. So this was it for the video, and the next video is going to be on the series, same as in this modified bar. This is the first video was on the draw bar. This video is on the annotation bar. Next video is going to be on the modify bar. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friend who wants to learn AutoCAD. And yeah, thank you for watching.